welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video. My house is a mess, so I'm gonna try not to show it too much, but I have something in my house that is very important and very exciting to share with you, so let's go do that. All right, we have boxes, but not just any boxes. These boxes contain my patio furniture. So boxes equal patio furniture. Patio furniture is in these boxes, these huge and very, very heavy boxes. All right, I think I've said boxes enough for now. I'm kind of just winging it today, but the plan is I'm going to assemble these guys because I'm pretty sure they are not assembled whatsoever. I have to open these up. I got my little tripod here to help me out. I am going to rip these guys open and I'm gonna start assembling it on my patio to finally complete the look. You guys, this is such an exciting day for me because I've lived here for over a year now and I love being outside, and I have not even used my fire pit yet because it's like I can go out there, but there's just nothing to sit on. And what's so fun about sitting on the ground in front of a fire? I don't want to do that. I want to be comfy cozy on my pretty patio furniture and enjoy the smoldering embers of a fire. I'm being so extra right now, I don't even care. Anyway, I've been eyeballing a lot of different patio furnitures from a lot of different places. It was a few months ago where I kind of settled on Walmart. I was like, ooh, I can buy it in the off season where everything's pretty much on sale. And I kept putting it off, Enough of that, let's get to work. Let's open these guys up, and for fun, we'll do a 1 out of 10 rating. Do I recommend getting patio furniture from Walmart ever? We'll make it into that kind of a video. Let's get started. I'm ready. This has been taking up space in my living room area for far too long. Let's go. Milo, are you excited? Yeah. Okay, it hasn't even been like 30 seconds since I updated you guys, but what we're gonna do is we're kind of fighting daylight right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring boxes out and get busy, not show you guys how much I'm gonna struggle bringing in these heavy ass boxes. These heavy boxes. I will check in with you guys in like about 10 minutes. All right, already making progress. For the record, it says do not roll. And just by looking at it, did I follow directions? No, I didn't. I cleared out all these boxes. They are now located here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the patio set. I picked this one out. It was on clearance on walmart.com. I'm super excited because I really like the blue, and here is all the configurations possible. I'm kind of leaning towards what it shows in the picture, but we'll see what happens. I have a fire pit right where that table is, so that table will probably end up in one of these corners. See what we come up with. Ladies and gentlemen, I definitely underestimated how much assembly that this furniture would require. I don't want to waste your time watching a video of me struggling and trying to understand everything. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna power through. I'm gonna try to get it done. Really focus and concentrate off camera, and I'll just show you guys the big reveal, especially since we're fighting light and timing with that. Like I said, I'm gonna power through and I'll show you guys the final result. I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna get started and I'll check in with you guys soon. Bye. Okay, so I am really glad that I stopped the tape when I did because it turned into a whole thing. So far, I'm giving instructions like a 7 out of 10. I don't wanna be too mean. However, not to brag or anything, I put together a lot of furniture in my house. I did my entire entertainment center. I have a shoe rack, which I haven't shown you guys yet, but I've done my shoe rack. I've done both bookcases. I think you remember me putting together my day bed in my guest room. I don't don't usually struggle with these kinds of projects, so I have to blame the instructions because there's a few places here and there where things kind of, you know, aren't extremely clear, but that's okay because I am still powering through. The sad news is that's all I got so far, and it got very, very cold. So I have now moved my workspace into the living room and my hair's a mess. Continuing, I'm gonna see how far I get today. If I have to press the pause button and finish later, I don't want to do that. My OCD makes me want to get it all done out of the way, then I don't have to worry about it anymore. That is to say, I will get as much done as I can. Whenever it is all completed, I will definitely show you that. The color is so pretty. I really think I'm going to enjoy this set. I think I got exactly what I wanted. So that's really cool. The porch set itself so far is fine. Milo found a box. If I fits, I sits. Oh my God. Kitty. Bye, Milo. Anyway, back to me. I'll show you what I get done, but I'm trying my hardest to finish her up. I think getting the first thing done kind of sets a tone, so hopefully the rest will come easier. We'll see, and I'll check in with you guys soon. All right, guys, so checking in with another update. We are down 2 boxes and only have 1 left of the seating patio furniture stuff. And then this box right here, I'll get to it eventually. This is like a storage unit for the cushions and everything. Anyway, we're gonna take a peek outside and see what we got so far. We got 3 chairs, got a little table over there, and that's it so far. My little light up there is out and I haven't replaced the bulbs yet, so another thing on the to-do list. I think I'm at a stopping point tonight. Like I said, there's only 1 box left. I did get 2 down, so I'm over halfway finished, and that's such an awesome feeling. If I get bored and feel like tinkering later, then I will do that, because honestly, it's been fun. The worst thing was the table. The table was very confusing, that box. Other than that, it's been pretty simple. Like I said, I kind of got the hang of it after the first run of it. I think there's only 2 chairs left, so after that, we'll have a full patio set, and I cannot wait to be finished and show you guys the final result. It'd be really cool to show you like what it looks like at night and then also what it looks like during the day. So final result coming at you soon. See you then. Hi everyone. It is the next day and Milo wants to say hi too. Say hi. 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 Okay, so this is the last piece I have left. I finished everything but this one last night because I was just bound and determined. We're about to take this guy out there. This is my mess that I cleaned up. I wanted to leave this one out just to show you that I was not expecting it to not be as assembled as it was, and I think I already said that, but like this was a piece, this was a piece, this was a piece, this was a piece, right? This one right here. It was just so many pieces. Like I said, it was so much easier once I kind of knew what to expect. The table was probably not the right one to start with, but we did it, we got through it, and let's take this outside and I'll show you what we have. Come on, we gotta finish it up. All right, come. Come here, you. He just does not want to come back inside. All right, well, there you have it. And if I ever have any self-doubt whatsoever, I just need to watch this video and be reminded that all of that came together from the sweat of my brow and the ache in my back. But it came together with love, and I think it turned out so beautiful. I cannot wait to get the fire pit going, and I will definitely show you guys what it looks like at night. I need to get light bulbs for outside. Someone remind me in the comments below. The only thing I didn't get to, and maybe I'll get to it before I show you the night view, is this thing. I don't want the sun to like really ruin those seats, bleach them, or you know, the rain spots and stuff. I'd asked my mother about it and she suggested getting a little storage bin. I don't know how easy and or difficult it will be to put this thing together, but I am gonna try to get it together as soon as possible. I just really wanted to get this done. I've waited so long to enjoy my patio, relax out there, and now I feel like I can have like fire pit nights and everything. I think that would be really amazing, and especially in the spring, I think it would be just really nice to relax out there. I just can't stop looking at it. So I said I was gonna do a review. I will give it all. Honestly, it was on sale. Usually it's like over $1,000. I did not spend that much. For price and how much it looks exactly like the picture, I love the setup. I think I'm gonna give it an overall, and it's also like very sentimental because I put it together and this is my first porch set I've ever owned. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10, and the only reason I'm not giving it a 10 out of 10 is because I struggled a little bit with assembly. I wasn't expecting all that, and I already ranted to you guys. I wasn't expecting to have to assemble it that much. I'm not gonna dock too many points off for that. It's like big Legos, right? It's like a big 3D puzzle Lego set that really hurts your hands after a while. I think I got more than what I paid for. I'm just really, really pleased. I can't wait to have it all done and enjoy it for like ever. Forever. I might even sleep out there, guys. I'm not gonna sleep out there. No one has seen it yet. My mom should be here in a few minutes. I'm honestly surprised she didn't walk through that door while I'm doing this video. So the next thing is probably going to show you guys what it looks like at night. Have the fire pit roaring. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, if you like these kinds of videos, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment below, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to stay happy, stay healthy, stay bright. Bye!